Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And that's also where a couple of updates here need to be done. Although I was going to, leave this line up here, but as of now, and change that to resistance, which is just based on the foundational rule in technical analysis that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. But I'm not going to focus on that as resistance. And the main reason, and this will, I'm sure some of you that watch the past videos will know right where I'm about to talk about here. But as far as resistance levels go, it's all about that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. This is now the third day in a row I've been talking about it. But you can see back there on Monday, rejected the price. And then on Tuesday, a whole bunch of times where the price struggled, and then today ultimately the price did fail to get up above there, and then the pullback happened. So without doubt, that pink line there has really been confirmed once again that is the key level of resistance to watch going forward. So if there's going to be any sort of bigger type breakout movements that occur, then it's all about not only getting up above that pink line but staying up above it. Now I did use the word pullback because that's what it was. It's not like the price totally crashed today or anything else like that. And the reason I bring that up, and I'm going to adjust this level down here and talk about 96 cents as support, because let's say that the price goes back down to 96 cents again. Not saying it will, but just so I can make the point here. But if the price comes down here, so history repeats itself, price goes around and then starts to work its way back upwards, what would you still have from the big picture point of view at that point? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there, and emphasis on big picture. So from the big picture, you'd still have stair steps, if you envision those as stair steps, progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see from the big picture point of view. Now, I'm well aware that if you're some sort of day trader or scalper, and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But for the people that do care about the broader scope of things, the price does still technically have an opportunity to chip away and build that higher base. So sure, the price pulled back today, but it's not like there's a reversal or crash or anything like that. So that's really kind of the main goal going forward now is, can the bulls chip away and build a higher base? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.